What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily face routine, so let's get right into it. First things first, I'm going to be using Cetaphil's daily cleanser for oily to normal skin, and I'm just wetting my face just a little bit, and then I'm going to rub the product in. And I'm just using my fingers because normally in the morning I'm in a rush and I don't have time to be going in with the spin brush and all that extra, so just keeping it real and using my hands. But make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Then I'm going to just go ahead and rinse the cleanser off my face. And sorry for the ugly faces. And then I'm going to pat my face dry with my face towel. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to spritz my face with witch hazel. And then I'm going to apply Neutrogena's Rapid Dark Circle Repair underneath my eyes, because your girl don't be getting no rest. Then I'm going to apply Cetaphil's moisturizing lotion for face and body, and I'm just going to put a little bit on. And all these items can be found at Walmart, pretty much, with the exception of like 2 items, but I'll let you guys know which items those are. And I'm just going to pat that eye cream in a little bit underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to apply Skin Lab's Instant Radiance Boost to firm and lift, and I am going to just put that on the highest points of my face, like, you know, the cheekbones, the chin, forehead, and just rub that in as well. This gives me a glow, and I love to put this on, especially on days when I don't wear makeup. It makes me look alive and just glowy. And I got this from TJ Maxx for like $6. Last thing, I'm going to add some chapstick. I use a CBD infused chapstick. I just got it from Dillard's and I absolutely love it. Cost me about $9. And that completes my face routine. Your girl is shining and glowy and ready to conquer the day. This takes me about 5 minutes and then I'm out the door. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.